Quick reading for March the 1st to March the 2nd, Libra. Your cards are the Maiden of Swords, the Crown of Wands, and the Lovers. Medyo nagsalita tayo ng tapos dito, no? Libra. Para kasing, yes, siguro nasaktan tayo ni person one way or another, whether this is shallow, whether the cut is deep, it doesn't matter. Ang point is nasaktan. So we're kind of uh parang we protected ourselves sa pwedeng gawin pa ni person, no? Parang kasing ayoko na uling masaktan mo. So parang pero lately with the Crown of Wands, medyo nakikita mo kasi yung mga pagbabago nitong ni person eh. Kaya parang sinasabi mo, sige, try natin uli. Hindi ko sinasabing weak ka, no? Hindi yun, um, kumbaga, hindi yun weakness. It's more of giving this a chance. And parang mapapatunayan mo with the Lovers, oo nga, no? Nagbago si person, oo nga, marami pa siyang pwedeng gawin. So, maganda naman, tama yung decision. So, this is your quick reading, Libra, for March the 1st to March the 2nd.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love.